Hi everyone, we're going to divide this polynomial by x plus 1 using long division. First of all, we need to make sure our polynomial is in order, which in this case is already in order. We start from the highest power and then we go to the lowest ones. Next, we need to include the missing terms if there is any missing term. In this case, we have x to 4, right after that x squared. So we're missing x cubed in between them. I'm going to include that in this way, 3x to 4 plus 0x to 3. The missing term will be included using a 0 coefficient. Then plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. Divide that by x plus 1. To start division, you're going to take the first term and divide that by the first term of the divisor. So this will be 3x to 4 divided by x. So this is 3x to 4, subtract 4 minus 1, 3x to 3. So we write this here, 3x to 3 here, and then we're going to multiply this term by both of the terms in the divisor. 3x to 3 times x is 3x to 4. Times 1 is 3x to 3. Next, we need to subtract the bottom polynomial from the top one. So if I subtract, I'm going to put a negative here behind this polynomial. First, I need to distribute the negative, then do the subtraction. When I distribute, the negative will change the sign of both of these terms. So this is positive, it will be negative. This one will be also positive. So I'm going to go ahead and just change the signs because it's going to be easier for me to do the subtraction then. So the new sign of the terms are negative and negative. So I'm going to pay attention to the red signs. Now, 3x to 4 minus 3x to 4. They cancel each other. 0x to 3 minus 3x to 3 will be negative 3x to 3. Next, I'm going to bring the next term down. So it will be plus 2x squared. Now, I'm going to repeat my steps. Take the first step, the first term, divide by the first term. So this will be negative 3x to 3, divide by x. Negative 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So I'm going to have negative 3x to 2 here. Now I'm going to multiply this term, the second one, negative 3x squared, by both of the terms here. Negative 3x squared times x is negative 3x cubed. Times 1 is negative 3x squared. Next, I need to subtract the top and the bottom. Like, if I subtract it, both of the terms will change their signs because of the same thing that I explained here. The terms will change the sign, and now I'm going to combine the like terms. Negative 3x to 3 plus 3x to 3. They cancel each other. 2x squared plus 3x squared. That will be 5x squared. Now I bring the next one down. Negative 6x. Again, repeat the same steps that we had before. Take the first term, divide it by the first term. 5x squared divide by 5x squared divided by x. This will be 5x. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 5x. Write that here, 5x. Then multiply 5x, the new term, only the new term, by both of the terms here. 5x times x is 5x squared, times 1 is 5x. Again, I'm going to subtract the bottom one from the top polynomial, and that will change the sign of both of the terms here. So they are negative now. Now combine them. 5x squared and negative 5x squared cancel each other. Negative 6x and negative 5x is negative 11x. Bring the next one down. Plus 1. Repeat the steps. Negative 11x divided by x. Negative 11x divided by x is negative 11. So I'm going to write negative 11 here. Multiply that by both of the terms. Negative 11 times x is negative 11x. Negative 11 times 1 is negative 11. Negative 11. Now, change the signs. Positive and positive. These two cancel each other, and 11 plus 1 will be 12. There is nothing else that I can bring down. Also, the exponent, the degree of the remainder is 1 less than the divisor. That means I'm done and there is no step to do anymore. So I got my answer. The quotient is 3x to 3 minus 3x squared. This is 3 plus 5x minus 11. And the remainder is 12.